going on? We're here at the dunes today.
Look, I'm moving to your side.
These two showed up a little late, but we're here. Wyatt's down for the count. His clutch is toast. Tyler's bike's about to blow up. But we're just gonna have a good time today. You know, a couple hours out there.
Yeah.
It's a little busy, so we're gonna take it a little slow. Oh! A few side-by-sides out there, so we're gonna be on edge here. But we're gonna have a good time.
These trailers are gay.
You don't like them?
No. It's so hard on our bikes, dude.
It's
That's why my thing's not starting, dude. I can't go fast. It's getting too hot.
Thing needs an ice bath.
Yeah.
Do we just want to go to the main dunes then?
If I could get this thing started.
Get angry.
Not you, it's the bike.
Wow. Feisty bike over here.
Do we want to go to the main dunes?
Yeah.
His bike's just Clayton's bike is just standing on air right now.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know how it's standing, but it is.
Thing. Holy Spirit holding that thing, bro.
Good grief. Okay. It's in neutral, right?
I think so.
All right, let's get to flat ground so you can actually start womping on it. This thing's small.
Put it on marketplace.
I am.
Not a bump, I know what I got.
3,500. Take it up where it's at. If you can find it, you can have it for free. They pour water on it. Not the smartest thing.
Oh yeah, the Dune.
It's cool. It's super hot. It's not warping stuff.
Crack your face.
Dadgum!
Yeah, you gotta kick it and then just kind of give it a little throttle and just feather it. And then-
Your idles needs to be fixed, probably. Good grief.
Yeah.
It's that. It's your dad's premium. He probably put diesel in the can.
Probably.
Good grief. I hate four strokes. Give me a second, boys. I'm tired. Jay! Oh my god!
Did you not turn?
No, I couldn't turn. I was stuck in a rut.